How does Python, RegEx greedy versus non-greedy matching work? Imagine you're trying to grab a piece of text from a long string, but you only want the smallest part possible or maybe the biggest chunk. How do you tell Python to do that? That's where greedy and non-greedy matching come into play. When working with regular expressions in Python, understanding how these two types of matching behave can make a big difference in your text extraction tasks. Let's start with the basics. Regular expressions use special symbols called quantifiers to tell Python how many times a pattern should match. These include the asterisk symbol, which means 0 or more times, the plus symbol for 1 or more times, the question mark for 0 or 1 time, and curly braces for a specific number of times. By default, these quantifiers are greedy. That means they try to match as many characters as possible while still allowing the overall pattern to match. For example, if you have the pattern AB and apply it to the string ABAB, it will match the entire string ABAB because the AB part tries to take everything from the first A to the last B. Now, sometimes you want to match the smallest possible piece instead of the biggest. This is where non-greedy or lazy matching comes in. To make a quantifier non-greedy, you add a question mark after it. So instead of AB, you write, using this pattern on the same string ABAB, it will match only AAB. The reason is that the part matches as little as possible, just enough to find the first B after the initial A. If the pattern can't match with the smallest chunk, it will expand the match step by step until it finds a match. Let's look at how this works inside Python. When you use the Ray module and call Ray search with a greedy pattern like RA, it first tries to match the largest possible string starting with and ending with B. If that doesn't work, it backtracks, giving up characters one by one until it finds a match. On the other hand, with a non-greedy pattern like RA, Python starts by matching the smallest possible string and then expands if needed. This back and forth process helps Python find the right match based on your pattern. Here's a quick example. If you run search ABAB, it will find the match ABAB. But if you run search ABAB, it will find just AAB. This difference is key when you're trying to extract specific parts of text, like tags in HTML or sections in logs. Non-greedy matching is often used to get the shortest match, which is useful when you want to avoid grabbing too much. Greedy matching is better when you want the largest possible chunk. In terms of performance, greedy matching tends to be faster because it tries to match as much as possible right away. Non-greedy matching might take a little longer because it starts small and then expands the match if necessary. But knowing when to use each can save you a lot of headaches in your automation and scripting projects. So, in summary, Python's regular expression quantifiers are greedy by default, meaning they match the longest possible string. To make them non-greedy, add a question mark after the quantifier. This small change can make a big difference in how your text is captured and extracted. Mastering this will help you write more precise and effective scripts for text processing tasks.